How you guys doing? Welcome back. I just wanted to show you some finished product work here on these knives. This is the one that had the small chip out of it, and I was able to repair it using the super glue and baking soda there. This one, you can see a large piece of that scale was broke out. That's a bone scale, so I was able to repair it with that. And that takes it back down. I've got some more finishing work to do on it, but this is just about 3/4 of the way back repaired. I've got a real bright light above us there. Sorry if that's gleaming off there too much. But yeah, if you got a knife that you want to fix the handle on, you don't think you're too skilled on repairing a full scale, cutting bone out, etching it, things like that, you can use this method to fix things, and that'll give you a good edge. That way, while you're working with your knife, you're doing cutting, whatever, something to actually grab onto is some jagged piece. And like I said, I've got to work this down a little bit more. There we go. Sorry for that. This thing's auto-focusing. There we go. I've got to shave it down about a few more millimeters there. Just face that around a little bit more. Another trick I do as well, once I've got one taken down, this is a workman's leather. It's used for welding, and it's a heavy, rough leather. They use it for shielding while they're welding, so sparks don't get them and burn. But you take this leather, and whatever you're trying to finish out, you want to give it a nice polish out to it. You can rub this on here, and what it'll do is it'll buff it. It'll take most oxidation, corrosion, things like that off. You'll wind up with a good sheen on there. The main thing is of course, use whatever way you go, make that the way you go for the whole thing. Don't just go back and forth in weird angles. You want to keep that angle going the same way too. That way your polish is right. You don't have streaks in it. It's kind of like when using crayons there. So just to recap, finished product. Well, this is not finished. This is about 3/4 of the way done, but just to show you further progress on this. And yeah, easy peasy, Japanesey. It's all good. It works. Just a way to finish a little. Got a break in a knife. You got something you want to put back together. And let's see, super glue. That was a 4-pack of those for $1. That little box, that whole box of baking soda cost me $1. So $2 fix for a knife that I want to hold on to for a couple more years. So thank you for watching. As always, be good. Y'all have a good day.